Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a refund on G2G.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So before I start, we need to talk about the G2G refund policy, so the basics. So got to take note of all sales on G2G are generally final, so refunds are only available in limited circumstances. Now this includes you have not received your order or the item you received doesn't match the seller's description. Now, refunds are not typically given for buyer's remorse, wrong purchases, confirmed deliveries, or dissatisfaction alone. But you can request a refund if you don't get an order. So if the seller hasn't delivered the item yet, you can request a refund or cancel the order then, and also misdescribe product. So if what you receive doesn't match the listing, you may be eligible for a refund. And now also you must act within a certain time frame. So typically 72 hours after delivery in dispute, or to dispute it. So basically what we want to do is go to g2g.com and sign in, log up or sign in to your account. Then from here, once you sign in, go to your orders tab. And then from here, we can go ahead and cancel order by looking at the purchase details. So if it's not complete, if it's stuck in processing or just in processing, we've got an option here to cancel the order. So just go ahead and click on that cancel order button. Now, G2G may refund your original payment method or offer a G2G store credit, so balance for future purchases. Now, the processing time, so refunds I've noticed can take anywhere from 7 to 14 days to be processed, also depending on your payment provider and bank